Welcome back to Best Car Fixes. Please subscribe, share and like. This car is Volkswagen Routan, but actually it's the same thing like Dash Caravan. Dash Caravan, this car is actually is a Dash Caravan, but the license, the information, they come by it like a Volkswagen Routan. So if you can use any tools, even the Chrysler tools, you can go inside as a Routan and it will work perfect. If you want to use what they call, you want to use Audis as a Volkswagen, it may work, it may not work, I am not sure. So today, what we did is we changed the wind module. This is a wind module for this car, and this is with the key. It comes with the key. When you change this one wind module with the new one, the key is gonna go. Your own key will not work again with the new module, except for some cars. Now, here is how you take to replace the wind module. You have to take all these pieces here. You take the radio, the climate control. You see here, you need to reach to this place. You see this piece, and you have to move all this screw to have a space to pull it down like this and remove this screw and the one in the bottom. Please. I just make it for you, like just have it quick information that it help you. This have to come out. I don't believe the radio have to come out, but this have to come out. You need to reach this platform so that you can move it, and then you put your hand from here, the bottom one, the bottom screw, and do it. Also, I noticed that, let me turn the light on. We noticed that the wind module that he have it have antenna from here. It has antenna. Small antenna place. You see that purple one? But this one here doesn't have it. Does it affect or not? I am not sure. It comes with a brand new key from the dealer. You see it's a Chrysler key, and it comes, this is a part number in case you need it. This is a part number that we just get it for this one here, and it coming from another plastic bag. You have to take like 3 plastic bags to reach into it. The difference between the aftermarket and this one here, I try aftermarket tools and I try dealer tool. This piece can stay for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 years, no problem. The other one can stay for long. It can stay for 1 month, 1 week, 1 day, 5 years. I'm not sure, but the aftermarket one have a lot of failure ratio. So try just at least have one original when you do that. Now, you see, we took this is the CD player or DVD player. We took the climate control out. Take your time, but the easy way is to take this stuff out to go into it. Don't force anything. Now, I'm gonna put this one here. I'm gonna I'm gonna put the battery back, and we are going to program it. It will not work. Hi, how are you? So my battery terminal, where it gone? Also, this car have, call the police. Okay, now I'm gonna put this battery back. Okay. Now I have the battery in. I'm gonna program this computer. I'm programming this car, and then I will take care of it for you. It take me like 10 minutes or so. Now we have everything in. I'm gonna turn the key on. You're gonna have the ignition on. Is the car gonna start or not? I'm not sure. Let's try. Nothing. Why? Because the key also have a problem. The problem with the other computer, when you turn it on, it never turn on. You know, like you start the car, you try to turn it on, it doesn't turn on. You have to play with it to come on, like it's free. So now our work is to go here and do one thing. We need to program the wind module. Be sure you have internet, and it require you to get a pin code. So I'm gonna go to IMO. On the IMO, my ignition is on. Stop the signal. Be sure also the security light. So you have 2 steps. First, you have to do the IMO. The VIN number. You have to go to wind module programming, and then you come back and program the key. So you see now, it's seeing it as Chrysler or Jeep. It doesn't see it as Volkswagen or any Rotunda. But if you go inside the data or after you read here, it will tell you Volkswagen, Chrysler, Town and Country, and Volkswagen Routan. It could be. But look here, you just go to control unit, IMO replacement, because I'm in the IMO, right? Say okay. Here, wireless ignition wind replacement, steering column ELV replacement, computer replacement, register wireless ignition wind vehicle configuration, reset. So I gotta go to this one here first. I say okay. Okay, run this function for the wireless ignition wind has been replaced. Ignition should be in run position. I will say yes. I don't know why it gave me this. It's supposed to give me more details. Maybe because it's not programmed. Entering the correct 3-time wheel. Oh my god, I don't have the wind. I don't have the. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4. 8622. Is that the one? Maybe 86. I don't believe this is the one. But I gotta write this one because the wind module is brand new. Maybe it would take anything. Let me just put 1, 2, 3, 4. So I don't want to get into trouble. If it take it, if not, I have to get. I have to get it from the dealer when they buy the wind module. If it's not, it will work. Because the first pin number, actually you're supposed to get one with the VIN number. I don't know where I'm gonna get it. I'm supposed to read it from this one here, but that is the wind module programming that I put it in. If you're using any tools like this, it will read that information for you automatically and get you the pin code. So let's configure transfer of secret key success cycle ignition before starting. I'm gonna turn this one on. I'm gonna say okay. Okay, let me turn it. Now I was able to program, but still the key have an issue. So now let me go back. Manual selection. North America. You see, I don't have anything, but I will go to Town and Country. 2000 fabric key. Do you want to go like this before? But okay. Turn the ignition on. I'm supposed to go through here from the beginning, but it's okay. At least I'm able to program the car. Now IMO scan. Here is reading the pin code for me, which is not bad. We're gonna see what pin code is gonna read. Okay, read pin code. I want to just read the pin code. I will be able to read it. Let me see. Hopefully it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. The one I put it, I created. It takes some time, but yes, you see here. That's the password that I created, because if the wind module is new, any password can take it, but it's gonna be assigned to it. So add a key, start, learn, program key, communication, succeed, 0 key. No, I don't need the pin to be, but it's already there. For PEPS vehicle, remove the star button, because some of them they have star push button here. This one doesn't have it. See, I have 0 key. That's the pin code. It's supposed to be. You see now, it's a din. Let me see, the light have to go away. And we are going to have 1 key. Right now, the car is supposed to start. Thank you. How many key register? You say 1 is registered successfully. Do you want another key? I say no. Now I'm gonna escape. This time the car will start. Beautiful. Now I have one thing to do. Escape this. What do you need? The hot function? No, I don't need this. I want to go to control unit, IMO replacement. Okay, check the, no, reset wireless ignition wind vehicle configuration. I'm gonna reset the configuration. So I will say okay. Maybe it will give me the VIN number or do any. Let me see now, check the pin, say yes. Yes. It's good now, everything is perfect. Okay. ABS light, airbag light, everything is good. Thank you for watching Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. What we learn from here is 1. When you buy the wind module from the dealer, you must buy the key. And also you must ask the dealer to give you the pin code, especially when it's a brand new, so you don't want to get stuck. Even when you buy the engine control module, 1. The second, in order for you to move, you have to move everything that is here. You know, like the radio, you see it now. Why? Because the screws are behind. One is here. And the other one, if you don't move it a little bit, you have no space to do the work you want to do. You have the idea. After that, you try to put everything back and program the wind module first, and then program the configuration, program the key, program the configuration. You see now, this car, it work, everything work fine. And if you want to just try one door, like the right side door, this is the right side door, this is the car. I'm gonna push 2 times, 1, 2, here, yes. I'm gonna push it back again, it will come and close. The same thing for the trunk. Let me show you the trunk. Come in, because if there is anything obstacle, it will reopen again. Yeah, something wrong with there. I'm gonna check it. Now I'm gonna see the trunk. See, the trunk is open. I'm gonna close it. This is coming. Thank you for watching. Let me try to see if I can close this one with the right way. I push the button. Those are the buttons that you can close it. Or something wrong with that door, I'm gonna try to go inside and fix it. Guys, thank you for watching more Best Car Fixes. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.